qualitative analysis of a company first. Okay. So what we need to do for doing the qualitative analysis, we need to make a list of questions for which we need to find answers to. So whenever you are picking up any one of company, okay, you have to make a list of questions first. And this is applicable to all the companies. It should be universal to all the companies, that list of questions. Okay. And you need to find answers to that question. That means you have to frame the question by yourself, and you have to find the answers for that particular questions for that particular company. So that will help what? That will help you to understand the company much better. To understand that company much better by finding the answers to. So do note that to answer all these questions, okay, to answer all these questions, from where you will get all these data points. So you will get a data points, mostly 80 to 90% of your answers will be covered in the company's annual report. Now, what is company annual reports? Company every year, okay, at its AGM, has to publish its annual report. All the companies which are listed on the markets has to publish an annual report. What do you mean by annual report? Annual report means a company has to give its all the details, what they have done in a year. Okay, it's an annual report. So they have to give all their details in a year, what they have done. Not just financials, but all the other data like corporate governance practices. Okay, what does the board have done? What are their future? What is their vision? What is their mission? Everything they have to give in that annual report. It's a huge report. It's 300 to 400 pages report, which a company has to publish every year on their website, as well as they have to report it to the exchanges, okay, every year, which exchanges will then publish on their on the websites. Okay, that's which you have to do an analysis for. So as an equity research analyst, it's very important that you read the annual reports of the company, because that will give you a better understanding about the company in which you are investing into. Initially, it will take time for you. If you are a beginner, it will take time for you to read the annual reports of the company. But as you start reading the annual reports, okay, it will be making very easier for you that which are the details which you need to read in the annual reports, and which are the details which you may not require to read it for the investment purposes. Okay, but you have to start reading those annual reports of the company, okay, which is a big report, but you have to read it. Then only you will understand the company's nature, the company's quality, because in that you will get a lot of details. Okay, and also some details you will get from the company's websites. Also some details you will get from the Google search. Okay, the other 20-25% details that you will get from the company websites or Google search. Now let's see what are those qualitative questions that you can frame. Okay, you can add up more questions. Again, this is a very inclusive in nature. They're not exhaustive. Okay, so again, you have to just see what are the things that you can add up. 1 second. So the first question that you need to ask to yourself is, what does this company do? And that's very important, right? Because before that, you will not understand. Okay, and this question, when you answer yourself, it will help you in understanding the company much better. And along with it, will also help us you understanding if any in the company has any red flags. Okay, significant red flags which have been observed in that particular company, and then you're not. So if there are significant red flags in the company, it's better not to invest in such companies. Okay, at the initial stages itself, you can just drop that company from further researching. So if you're finding the red flags in this qualitative analysis, while you conduct a qualitative analysis of the company, you can just stop further researching that company. Okay, so therefore it is the first step in the equity research analysis that is called as a qualitative analysis of the company, which you need to perform before going further into the valuation of the company. You have to first understand the company's qualitative nature, okay? And for that, it will take initially 10 to 15 hours of your time to do the qualitative analysis of the company, initially when you are a beginner. So slowly and steadily, it will take 1, 2. So when you do a lot of research, when you do a lot of thing with the companies, then it will take lesser time for you. Okay, but initially it will take much time. Okay, so the first thing that you have to ask yourself is, what does this company do? Okay, that means the basic understanding of the business. That will be you will be able to understand only once you do this, right? So you have to first ask this question and you have to write it down that this is what the company does. Second is, who are the promoters and what are their backgrounds? Okay, so who have invested the capital in this particular company? Who are the promoters of this company? And who are the board of directors of this company? And what are their backgrounds? Okay, background in the sense, what are their qualification? Is there any connection with the political parties, affiliations that they have? Okay, or there is any criminal background of that particular promoter or directors of the company? Such type of thing, a sanity check that you need to perform on the promoters and on the board of directors of the company. And who are those? Who are those promoters? Who are this is there any group company promoters? And what are their background? So you have to do a lot of background check of those promoters and directors. Now, how you can do that? You can go to one website, which is again freely available. Information are very freely available on that website. You can go to watchoutinvestors.com. Okay, I'll just repeat it once again. Watchoutinvestors.com. Okay, you can go to that website. Okay, you can find out, just put the name of the promoters or the directors, and you will get all the information about any action that any regulatory or any court or any police have taken against that particular promoters, like SEBI or RBI or any other regulatory authorities. The government of India authorities have taken action against that promoters or directors, or any case that is going against that particular promoter or director in any of the courts or which is there in the India. Okay, so we'll get all that information in that website, watchoutinvestors.com. Okay, where you can get the information, where you can do a lot of background check.